Want to disconnect a Facebook page from GoHighLevel? Here's why you might need to. As of December 2025, disconnecting is a standard feature, often done for platform consolidation, privacy concerns, or stricter data control. Recent updates, driven by Meta's API policies, emphasize security, sometimes prompting re-authentication during the process. We'll focus on the practical steps. The process happens within GoHighLevel's Integrations menu. Look for Settings, then Integrations. Find the Facebook tile. This revokes API permissions, preventing GHL from accessing the page's data like posts and leads. It's an OAuth-based process where GHL's connection is severed. Let's disconnect. First, log into your GoHighLevel dashboard. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Find the Facebook tile and click Manage or Disconnect. You might be prompted to confirm on Facebook's side. Important: after disconnecting, delete any associated workflows or triggers in GHL, like automations tied to Facebook leads, to prevent errors. This removes access to page management, lead ads, and messenger bots. Keep in mind that existing funnels or campaigns linked to the page may break, requiring reconfiguration. GHL also has a bulk disconnect feature for agency accounts to remove multiple integrations at once.